How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist very miserable forever. That is the title of this video. Narcissists are master manipulators. They destroy people. They use people. They exploit others. They lack empathy. They are very arrogant, very egotistic, egocentric. It's always about them. It's me with the narcissist. Their main aim is to hurt you, to destroy you. Now, if you want to make a narcissist very miserable forever, number one, do what they hate most. Focus on yourself or focus on something else and not the narcissist. Don't obey the narcissist if you want to make them miserable. Again, be happy, be successful, thrive without the narcissist, because they hate that. Prove the narcissist wrong. That's another thing that makes them miserable. Call the narcissist out for their toxic narcissistic behavior. They hate to be criticized. They hate to be called out. That's why narcissists always blame others. Make them commit. Make them be responsible, because narcissists hate responsibility. When you do that, you make them miserable. Now, don't react if you want to make the narcissist miserable. Ignore their petty comments. They will try to provoke you to get angry. They will try to provoke you to swing into narcissistic rage. So, don't react with anger or remorse. They will use those emotions against you, because the narcissist's main goal here will be to make you feel stupid. So, don't let the narcissist destroy your peace. Be cool, calm, and collected. To make the narcissist miserable, tell them that you'll be consulting an expert. Narcissists think they're the experts. They think they know it all. So when you tell them that, you make them miserable. Again, to make them miserable, rely on factual information. They hate facts. They think they know better about everything. And they want you to believe that it is true, that they know everything. So, when you challenge the narcissist by facts, by using facts, by factual information that contradicts them, you will see them get angry. You will see them be miserable. To make the narcissist very miserable, make decisions without asking for their advice. They think that you must always ask for their advice. So, don't do that. Make decisions yourself. It hurts them. Again, to make the narcissist very miserable, tell them no. If there's one thing the narcissist hates, is to be told no. Just say a simple no. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to justify yourself. Just say no. It makes them very miserable. Keep calm, cool, collected, and say no. And stand your ground. They will swing into narcissistic rage. They'll be very angry. They'll be very miserable. They will even try to force an argument. But don't argue with the narcissist, because you can never win. Again, to make a narcissist very miserable, set boundaries and make sure you enforce them. Narcissists hate boundaries. You setting boundaries makes them very miserable. They feel threatened. They feel they can't control you once the boundaries are in place. Set those boundaries and put consequences in place. Tell the narcissist, if they cross those boundaries, there's something you're gonna do, and do it. That makes them very miserable. Again, surround yourself with a strong support system if you want to make the narcissist miserable. Narcissists love isolating people so that they can control them. So stand your ground. Do your own thing. Have your own support system. Again, to make the narcissist very miserable, don't consult them when making changes that you need to do. They feel bad about it because it makes them feel and realize they cannot control you. Do what you love doing. Focus on your hobbies. It has the narcissist. They want you to focus on them instead and not on yourself or your hobbies. Again, to make the narcissist very miserable, detach from the trauma bond that the narcissist has caused you. And how do you do this? You do this by focusing on your well-being. Focus on your goals. Focus on your objectives in life. Have a strong support system. Don't focus on the narcissist anymore. Talk to someone who can help you disengage from the narcissist hold. Break free from that trauma bond. Start working out. Do some exercises. This makes the narcissist very miserable. To make the narcissist miserable, don't accept blame for the narcissist's words or actions. Narcissists love blame shifting and projecting. They'll blame you for everything that goes wrong. Don't accept that blame. If they blame you, refuse to accept that blame. Let them take responsibility for their actions. It makes them very miserable, very miserable. Call them out for their mistakes, for their words, for their actions, because they will always try to blame you or blame someone else. They don't take responsibility. Make them take that responsibility. Make them commit. It makes them very miserable. The narcissist will try to force a reaction from you. Don't react. Always be cool, calm, and collected. This angers them. It makes them very miserable. Again, celebrate someone else's successes. Also, celebrate your success. The narcissist hates seeing others happy. They even hate seeing you happy. When they see you celebrating a win, when they see you celebrating someone else, they feel pain, they feel bad, they feel miserable because they believe that success should be theirs. They believe that celebration should be theirs. Again, choose more supportive people to hang with. Have a strong support system of trusted friends and trusted family members to hang around with. This makes the narcissist feel miserable. Find better ways of spending your time. Find new ways of spending your time. Spend time with your hobbies. This annoys the narcissist because they feel they can no longer control you. It makes them very miserable. Try to laugh and be happy. This also makes the narcissist miserable. They want you sad and blue. Again, make yourself less available to the narcissist. That way they'll not be able to control you. It hurts them. Cut them off. If possible, go no contact, zero contact. This makes them very miserable because they want you around so that they can't control you, so that they can make your life miserable. So stay away from the narcissist. Keep away from the narcissist. That way you make them extremely miserable. When the narcissist sees you unhappy, it makes them very unhappy. It makes them very angry. So ignore them. Disregard the narcissist's advice. Make decisions without getting the narcissist's input. This will make them very miserable. Call the narcissist out for mistakes that they do. Remember, the narcissist thinks they're perfect. Remind them that they're not perfect. So sometimes do silent treatment on the narcissist and even walk away from them. It hurts them. It makes them very miserable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.